Hi my dear friends, today also I brought another new good makeup kit, all in one makeup kit for women, full kit. It's a travel makeup kit and it's a gift set for women and girl. It is a very nice one. It is about 39 US dollars and it is in good colors. And if you read about this item, all in one makeup kit, high quality makeup kit, perfect gift for ladies, special for any occasion, currently free cosmetics. You can see nice pictures are there and all in one makeup kit, a lot of details available. See how before and after, very big contrast. And lipsticks also, there are a lot of things. See these mascara and number of things are available. So I believe that you may love this, you will like this. You can see a nice video. It contains a lot of details how it is applied and the instruments how you can use them and nice things available. They show how it is used and how it is applicable, the application of it, packing everything. You can see this video gives a lot of descriptions. I believe that this is a good one for everyone. So my dear friends, with this, let's buy a one. I welcome all of you to my link and buy a one for me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.